Hi guys, welcome to today's video. This is a Terra Foodmart grocery haul for $97.01 in Canada. I got 4 packs of boneless skinless chicken thighs. First pack was $6.89. The second pack is for $5.64. Next up, we have some pre-frozen diced lamb, aka ostrich, for $13.72, which works out to $4.59 a pound. Ground pork, which was $1.59 a pound, or $5.53 for the full pack. Peeled garlic was $2.90 for the full pack. Got some green mango for $2.59 a pound, or $4.95 for the full pack. Bitter melon was $4.46 for the full pack. Also got some limes, which was 3 for $1. Green apples, $1.29. Oriental yam, which is $1.29 a pound. Papaya, 99 cents a pound. Green cabbage, 99 cents a pound. Green onions, 4 for $2. Cucumber, 99 cents. Celery, 99 cents. A big ass bag of spinach, which is 2 pounds for $5.99. Huge. It's for my protein smoothies. Next up, got some Quaker Oats, Ding Dongs for 89 cents each. They're just like mixed nuts. Quaker Oats instant oatmeal, 2 for $5, so $2.50 each. My dad has that. Ended up getting some Dempster's bread for $1.99. That was on sale. What else do we got? It expires October 10th. And last but not least, finally found some chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, which was $2.79, and it seems a bit healthier, a little less preservatives and extra stuff we don't care about. So that concludes today's haul. I hope you like it. See you next time.